Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna be making a banana bread. I had some bananas that were getting really ripe, 2.5, so I'm gonna use them up. I do have 2 eggs prepared in this bowl, 2 cups of flour in here, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In this bowl here, I do have 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of butter, which is right here. This is unsalted butter. I used unsalted butter since I already put salt in my flour. And then here, as I said, I have 2 bananas and 1/2. I mashed them up. And for extras, you don't need in this recipe, but if you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and about 1/2 cup of pecans chopped up. I love pecans. I find them very tasty, especially when they're roasted, so that's why I opted to go with that. But you can go with anything. You can add chocolate chip cookies, you can add walnuts. The additions are, what you like. So what I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna start with creaming my sugar and my butter in this mixer here. And if you don't have a mixer, you can use your spatula or a mixing utensils. But since I have it, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. So I will put my sugar in the bowl together with my butter, and I'll let them cream up. And then after they cream up, I'm gonna add my eggs and banana, finish up with the dry ingredients. So let me put the butter. I melted it a little bit so it can be soft, because it's easier to work with. Let me scoop it out, make sure we get all the butter in there. Okay. And then I'll lock it and cream. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Memorial Day here. While I'm creaming, I'm gonna go turn on my oven at 350 and preheat my oven, as well as prepare my dish that I'll be using, which is a loaf pan size, this one. And then I will scrape around just to make sure that the butter and the sugar are well incorporated. So I'm scraping the bowl to make sure that butter and that brown sugar, they mix together. After all the mixing, I did bake the bread for about an hour at 350, and here is the end product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.